Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I will share about new Ford Kuga 2024. Watching to the end, okay, the new Ford Kuga SUV has made its presentation in the US under an alternate name, the Passage Departure. This new model sneak peeks what we can anticipate from the forthcoming Kuga facelift, which is set to bring an invigorated plan and the most recent innovation. The facelifted Kuga, badged departure for the U.S. market, will consolidate a revised grille that is stepped with Passage's blue oval logo. Likewise new for 2024 is a driven light bar that stumbles into its highest point, into a couple of overhauled headlights. As in the past, the refreshed Kuga will get plastic body cladding along its hindquarters to give it a more brutish look. These are probably going to be painted in body tone for Saint line models and left in dark for rough dynamic vehicles. The facelift is likewise set to present a couple of new combination wheel plans as well as a bunch of quietly improved drove taillights. The best changes can be seen as inside, where the facelifted Kuga will dump the active model's dated feeling 8-inch touchscreen for a sweeping 13.1-inch unit. The new framework will run Passage's most recent SYNC4 programming and be matched with a 12.3-inch computerized instrument group, brought opposite the old Kuga. All of this will align the maturing Passage SUV with techier opponents like the Kia S Ford. At this stage, Ford is yet to detail particulars in regards to the facelifted Kuga's motor reach. In any case, we don't anticipate that there should be any significant changes over the active model. The ongoing setup includes a 1.5-liter petroleum delivering 148 bhp, close by 2 half and halves. These both use a 2.5-liter motor, with one self-charging crossover creating 187 bhp, and the module mixture model conveying 222 bhp. Stay updated with the latest 2024 Ford Kuga price in Japan. All the information on this page is unofficial, but the official specs, features, and Ford Kuga price in Japan will be updated after the official launch. Check the most updated price of Ford Kuga 2024 price in Japan and detail specifications, features and compare Ford Kuga 2024 prices features and detail specs with up to 3 products. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I will share about new Ford Kuga 2024. Watching to the end, okay, the new Ford Kuga SUV has made its presentation in the US under an alternate name, the Passage Departure. This new model sneak peeks what we can anticipate